guys, how are you? Hope all are doing good and all taking care of your family and your belonging. So in last video, I told you how to retouch the image in small time. So today I'll tell you that how to convert one image to one like sketch drawings. Okay. So I'll jump into my software Photoshop. So I'm sharing my screen here. So I have taken Deepika Padukone image. So what I will do here, Control J duplicate layer I will create. Sorry. Okay. So I have duplicated. From here also you can take layer and here duplicate layer. So many options are there. I have used shortcut Control J. Okay. Then what I will do, I will convert into grayscale or like black and white image. So I will do image and here desaturate. Okay, adjustment and desaturate. Desaturate means reduction of color. Color. Okay, so I completely reduced the color. So next what I will do, again I will do Control J and just see what I am going to do. So again I will go to image, then here adjustment, invert. So what will happening here means this is like invert means it will change into negative. Okay, like negative photo, negative you all are seeing, right? Like that. So next I will do here, see so many modes are there, like these are that image effect. So I will go for color touch. So here completely white. Next what I will do, then I will go here filter option. So convert to smart filter. To see what is written here, to enable re-editable smart filters, the selected layer will be converted into a smart object. So I'll press just OK. Then filter. Again I'll go to other minimum. See, it's look like pencil drawings. Okay, so here is the magic. Here you can adjust, like see if how much you will give radius. So here two options are there, one is square and one is round. So round means it will go for smoothness and square means you can see these hairs, you can see the changes, right? So this step just I am telling you, like in small time you can do. So I am keeping here just 2 manually and I will click roundness. Here I will give 3. Okay, that's good, I think so. Then you have to like here image adjustment, sorry, here see here so many, like here you can change like level. You can change here. So these are the, like you can change brightness, so many options are there here. Okay, this symbol you can adjustment this. So again I will choose curves. Okay, so you can see the changes here. Just I am clicking all, then layer, I am grouping layer. See, okay, so my intention is I will make small videos. Okay, so next time I'll do something interesting. Okay guys, till then take care. Bye. If anything having doubt, and you can ping me. Okay guys, bye. Thank you.